Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nitin and I am from Mechatronics Department, first year trainee. My topic is nanotechnology. This is the topic we are covering in this PDF. Introduction, info about Neuralink, how its work, parts are being used, disadvantage and advantages. Introduction. Neuralink and brain-computer interface is represents some of the most cutting-edge technology in the field of neuroscience technology, founded by Sir Elon Musk and the team of 7 scientists and engineers. This technology uses thin wire to collect the neural activity, which can be certain pattern. This pattern describes the movement of our muscles and being copied and transferred to the processor and being used. Working. It's similar like a AA battery. Just instead of electrons, we collect the ions from neurons and convert it into commands from the computer or machine. Why Neuralink is better? It's better because it's the first device for BCGI which collect and store data from individual neurons. Previous system has to be physically connected with the computer through a port/headset, which can be increase the infection and risks. Parts of a Neuralink. It's a cap and a battery, microchips and electrodes with threads. This is a short video of how the Neuralink works. With disabled person, you can see she can control the keypad with her brain. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantage: better compatibility with the human body, more electrons, high precision, great safety and durability. Disadvantages are severe risks, safety of person, errors in signal transmission. Diagram of a Neuralink. Thank you.